What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to trim your running boards and take them off so they look pretty neat. I'll show you. I already got passenger side done because I already came down on a rock on that side, so I thought that'd be my practice, but it's kind of what I got so far. You can see the pieces under there, but this is all rough because I'm not going to leave it long because I have my RSG sliders that'll go in, and then I'll trim this based off how low they are or sand them or whatever, but just left them long. But since I got the rear bumper on there now, we'll also be trimming the fat on the front. So, but first step is you're just gonna grab, you're cutting this stuff off anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Grab like a screwdriver, a crowbar or something, lift all that up, and then I'll show you after I got all that out. Basically, you're just gonna dig in there, get a nice bite, and you're just gonna work it. Maybe get all your anger out, and yeah, pretty much it comes all off that way. Okay, so now get underneath. It's better to do this after you're lifted. So unfortunately, I've not done that yet, but you got your mounts where it mounts to the body. 2 12 mils on all the block brackets. Pop those babies off. And especially if it's dirty like this, you're gonna wanna get it on there and just close your eyes. Now you got a bolt. And then just repeat. Okay, we got kind of bad lighting, but next thing you want to do while you're under here is you're going to cut this little bracket, this little thing, it's plastic. Then this cable, you push down on this tab on top, and then pops right out. Let's see if it... most of the time you just need a screwdriver. Okay, I'll have to catch up to you, and I'll do it. I'll do it in a second. Okay, next step, grab yourself some ear pro. You're going to cut super conservative. We're gonna go like on this low line because it won't matter, because this will all get trimmed eventually if we want to, but all you need to do is cut this section right here. And on the back side, since it's almost impossible to get an angle grinder in there or whatever without taking the tear off, we're just gonna take this pair of really heavy duty scissors. Same thing for the front, just stay under that because where the factory rocker is right there. So if we stay on here, right now it's pretty much all loose. The only thing that's gonna hold it on are these little tabs. So you can either cut those off or you can just give this thing a swift kick and it'll all come off. Stick in there. But yeah, we're gonna cut the white, and then come back through and cut the inner tire in the inner wheel well. Okay, so now, major cut, and it's a little dangling. So right here, this part, plastic, is held on by adhesive right behind here. So just pry that out. There's a metal clip in the corner, same on the back. And then, once you do that, hold this, because it's only held on by clips, and push that right out. And once you do that, you're clear. Voila! And then here, I'm just gonna trim just a little bit, just like on this straight line, and then I'll have plenty enough meat for adjustment for the sliders. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Angle grinder, 12 mil pry bar, good pair of scissors, or you can do it the slow way, take your wheels off and stuff, but there you go. Good luck. Okay, next step, front bumper cut. What I'm gonna do, plan to do, is just go maybe, I don't know, 2-3 millimeters underneath that body line, and then come right here to that point, and then straight down. So then, the only problem I'm seeing is, so this bumper support, that can all be unbolted. But if you look over here, I don't know if it'll show up good on camera, but basically this mount right here, it's all riveted into the aluminum bumper cover thing, so not as fun. Have to figure out how to drill those out or whatever, but for now we're just gonna cut these corners off since it's all that really matters, since I got the skinnies. So I'm gonna cut first. Looks like we got plenty of clearance for our blade. Then I'll start unbolting stuff. Wish me luck. So that's the little pieces holding on. Instead of getting the angle grinder, I'm just gonna take a utility knife on that. So make sure you just scrape all that shit off. But now, I'm gonna be held on by a little bit of plastic. Now that we got the first cut out of the way, see I went really low so I can come back and fine tune. But I'm gonna take our beefy scissors and just cut all this junk out of there, and then once that's free, then we can start unbolting stuff, and it'll pop right out. The bracket goes right here, it holds this corner on. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up here just a little bit farther and come back to that corner. It should look good. Okay, we got the chuck done. I don't think I'll like it. I think I'm just gonna cut the whole thing straight off. Just cut those mounts. Which kind of looks stupid. Update. Everything's cut off. Just went through with the jigsaw and just, you know, trimmed those babies. But went here, went underneath, like kind of that cut. Looks way better. Sorry about the wind. Can't wait till we get the full steel bumper, but for now, bumper cut. It's key. Okay, it's really windy outside, car's on, but cut went great. I was gonna do the little conservative cut, but no, why would we do that? So, this is how she looks. I think that cut is the best to do. Just got in here and cut those brackets right off. Used a jigsaw. Doesn't have to look perfect because eventually steel bumper will hide that. And then these little dingle bits, those will get like shaped up, but depending on how low the sliders go, they might just get squared off. But pretty much all my cuts are freehand. She's my angle grinder. Took a utility knife and scraped away all the excess plastic. Works good. But I'll be making more videos. I'll be posting the rear, finishing up the rear door carrier, because Expedition 1 finally sent me the template for drilling through your door. There's the carrier right there. And that's there. So it goes right on the spindle. Fitment on this turned out really good. You can kind of see right there. So just a little sneak peek of it. But the GX is looking way better now. And I'm just gonna wait to put the lift kit on until at least most of the weight's on there. so I don't have to worry about not getting out of my garage, because it's close, but I measured it. We got about like 3 inches to play with, so as long as it doesn't lift it too much, should be good. But I'll be doing more DIY stuff like this as I go. If you like this kind of content, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at chamberbean. See you guys.